Concerns about the safety of consuming GMO foods are on the rise as people increasingly worry about their potential impact on human health. GMO means genetically modified organism. Genetic modification is the process where scientists introduce new DNA into the existing genetic makeup of a plant. To achieve this, scientists transfer the new DNA into plant cells and nurture them in tissue culture until a new plant begins to grow. This plant then generates seed, which can be cultivated into new plants. Offsprings from these new plants has enhanced traits such as improved nutritional content, greater resistance to pests and diseases, or increased resilience to climate challenges. Through genetic modification, scientists aim to create foods that are not only tastier but also more nutritious and stronger against various threats. While there has been extensive research focusing on the safety of GMO foods, some researchers suggest that consuming genetically modified organisms could lead to allergic reactions, especially if the genetic modification results in the production of new allergens. Moreover, there are worries that GMO consumption might play a role in cancer development by increasing the levels of potentially harmful substances in the body. It is also believed that certain GMOs have been altered to resist specific antibiotics. This raises a theoretical concern that genetic material from these plants could transfer to humans who consume them, possibly leading to antibiotic resistance in those individuals. Furthermore, there are apprehensions regarding the toxicity of GMO foods on vital organs. Some studies propose that genetically modified foods might impact the liver, kidneys, pancreas, and reproductive health. Since the practice of genetically engineering food is relatively new, the long-term safety implications remain uncertain. On the consumption of GMO foods in Nigeria, the Director General of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC), Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, has stated that GMOs are not harmful to human health as long as they meet established safety standards. Professor Adeyeye made the statement yesterday, August 6, on Channels Television while addressing the growing concerns over GMO consumption and regulations in Nigeria. She said GMOs are genetically modified foods and they are not bad for us, and it depends on the type of foods and whether safety considerations have been addressed. She explained that the National Biosafety Management Agency (NBMA) is primarily responsible for ensuring the safety of GMO products, while NAFDAC works closely with them through a memorandum of understanding to certify the safety and quality of such foods. Adeyeye maintained that NAFDAC is in collaboration with the Biosafety Agency, whose mandate is to confirm that GMO products are safe, of good quality, and effective. She added that without the Biosafety Agency certification, whether through lab testing or desk review, NAFDAC cannot approve any GMO products. She described herself as a food freak and stressed the importance of reading food labels, especially when it comes to identifying GMO products. Adeyeye assured Nigerians that all GMO products in Nigeria undergo rigorous evaluation before being cleared for consumption, noting that NAFDAC responsibility is to ensure that any approved food is safe, of high quality, and effective. Now, the debate on the consumption of GMO foods has been on for some time now. What's your take about NAFDAC clarification? Will you go ahead and consume GMO foods? Please share your thoughts on this issue and don't forget to like and share our stories. Thank you.